Hey everybody, Evan with Let's Do This. I gotta make this quick. I'm at home alone. The dog's gone, kids are gone, wife's gone. No better time to run this out real quick. So Friday, I'm meeting with a guy up north. He's selling his house to move. He wants to move his house. So I got in contact with a structural mover. They quoted me $25,000 to $30,000 to move this property. It's 20 feet by 35 feet, but it has a little bump out bunk on it, and it also comes with a 24 by 20 detached garage. That's perfect. It's only 17 miles from my property, so that's very exciting. So far this year, we've drilled a well, 86 feet. We got clean water. That cost 6,800. We got a septic put in, 1,500 gallon septic holding tank, not the drainage field. That was about $8,000. And he also did some dirt work for us. So he made a camper pad, and he also ran a pipe up for my blackwater tank for my camper. So he did that. That was another 3,200. So 12,000 and some change plus the 6,800 for the well. And then last year we had the electricity brought in. I bought my own pedestal with 50 amp, 30 amp service. Bringing in electricity was a little over around $4,000. And then my pedestal I bought myself was about $300. And the GFI 50 amp fuse, 30 amp fuse, that was about around $220, and then $180. They are expensive. Of course, you got to get the GFI ones now in an outdoor pedestal box here in Minnesota. So that's just stupid because the regular fuses are dollars and these are $200 now. Just ridiculous. But very exciting. Things are moving. So I'm meeting with a contractor. I'm meeting with a mover Friday morning, and then we'll know how things look. We want to get the contractor because he's got to measure things out and tell us what we're going to be looking at for a crawl space, because we don't want to do a slab for the house, do a crawl space. And in future videos I'll explain why that's important. But make sure to like, subscribe, follow along, because you're not going to want to miss this. Things are finally moving. We weren't looking for a house this fast. It just kind of fell on our lap. The house he's selling for $20,000. He's asking 25. I think I can get it for 20. So we'll see. And then moving is going to be $25,000 to $30,000. And then I don't know what the contractor is going to say what his costs are. But my ideas was I was going to do a HELOC, home line of credit out of my house, because we owe so much. We paid off for 16 years. We have a lot of credit. So take out $140,000 payment, and then I'm going to pay off my property loan that we have a balloon, a 5/1 balloon. So interest rates are about to go up on that anyway. So HELOC loan, pay off the land, pay for the moving, pay for the cabin, pay for hookups. So my new mortgage, if you will, was going to be about $1,049 a month, because I already paid cash for my water, septic, electric, and water, septic, electric. Yeah, I think that's it. So anyway, it's really exciting news. Want to get on here before it gets so loud in the house. I just came from work, so been telling everybody at work about it. They're pretty excited, but it's also very stressful because now it's going to be, I got to get all my ducks in a row. I got to find out hard estimates, like, is the house moving going to be 25 or 30,000? Is the house, can I get it for 20? I gotta get these numbers, because once I pull out a HELOC, that's what I get. I can't go back and ask for another $5,000. So I gotta make sure, get all my ducks in a row. I gotta get hard numbers. The guy that's selling the property, he's gonna be doing a demo. He's gonna be getting rid of it. So it's either demo it or sell it to me. So that's why I think he doesn't want to pay to demo it. He'd rather get paid for somebody to take it. It's got brand new Marvin windows. The guy's a carpenter. He redid the kitchen by himself already, and he did the bathroom. I haven't been inside of it yet, but I've been to the property, walked around. I'll add some pictures in here that you can see. So yeah, pretty excited. Things are moving, and yeah, I can't wait to have a second property, I guess, to start working on. And I'm doing this for cheap. This is going to be, my property up north. We bought it 4 years ago, and this is kind of the point that we wanted to get to. Maybe not so soon, but buying a property for $40,000. I mean, it's the price of a cup of coffee a day. I mean, our loan is only $330, $330 a month, and that's with property taxes. Property taxes are literally $107 a year. So just to get 2.12 acres of land, $40,000, and then just sit on it, it's going to be worth more. Land isn't going to be any cheaper than it is today. So the sooner you can jump on that, get a good price on that, the better. Then what I've been doing is you get auction items. I bought my boat. I got inboard outboard motor on a boat auction. Got for $400. Put 2 new tires on the trailer. I had to put a new carburetor in the engine. So all in all, that boat costs about $800. Anyway, got the boat, got the tractor on auction. Simplicity Broadmoor 44-inch deck. That was $600. Got a shed. I used shed. I bought it for $400, and the guy moved it for $500. So $900. I got I think it's a 16 by 8 shed, enough to get my little 4-wheeler, and my old 4-wheeler was given to me by my brother because he didn't use it. So, I mean, we're just piecing this thing together. It's been a lot of fun. I got a vision board I can maybe show you. It's a little embarrassing, but you should have a vision board because things are coming true on that. So maybe it's not such a bad thing. And yeah, so I'm just hopefully share my story, and some people can also, jump in the deep end with me and go ahead and buy some land, get that dream going. I'm not on a lake. I happen to be in a neighborhood that has a lake association, so I get beach rights. I have a dock, I have a boat, and I don't have to pay beachfront lake prices. So if you want to discuss that and see how that all works out, make sure to write in the comments, and I can answer every one of you. And talk to you later. Sorry I'm rambling a little bit, but I get kind of excited about it, and the fact that this is coming together for so cheap, and relatively cheap compared to buying in a more metro area. I mean, we're about 2.5 hours from my house. So all right, talk to you later. Bye.